As sensor control and smart technologies accelerate, an increasing number of robots are serving our industrial production and home life. They free us from monotonous and repetitive labor, making substantial contributions to the advancement of human society. The device structure of earth-moving machinery, like hydraulic excavators, is comparable to that of an industrial robot. It is the most versatile construction machinery, capable of digging, loading and unloading, breaking, leveling and demolishing, and is ideal for a wide range of operating conditions and applications. Zoomlion G-Series hydraulic excavator, based on construction robots, is a newly developed smart excavator that uses advanced technology to enhance driving experience, which makes it a great investment. 5 highlights reaching the peak of intelligence. High power. The new Eurostage V-Power solution features a high-power engine and large displacement pump, which together provide significant power and abundant flow. As it has a large diameter structure, the main valve leads to a reduction in pressure loss. The upgraded positive flow control system enables the optimal matching of load, torque and flow by load analysis, with precise control and quick response. Additionally, the engine consistently operates with efficient fuel consumption, thereby reducing the comprehensive fuel consumption. High stability and comfortability. New luxury size equipment comes with a sound suppressed and dust-proof cab, creating a comfortable and safe operating environment for an enhanced car-level experience. Larger size and robust equipment ensures a higher stability during construction. Superb all-around visibility thanks to large window areas with increased glass transmittance above 11%. An 8-inch touchscreen effectively reduces accidental touch and finger fatigue. Fully integrated control panel features like one-click start, Bluetooth, phone data transfer, and USB for easier operation. Positive pressure cabin offers zoned air vents, balanced airflow, rapid air distribution, and adjustable temperature control. Fully adjustable suspension seat brings a sports car level experience. High capability. Larger bucket and breaker increase efficiency in various construction scenarios. The improved product adaptability shows effective operation in challenging environments, including high temperature, plateaus, and extreme cold. Meanwhile, the use of smart construction systems and over-horizon remote control systems make the construction safer, simpler, more accurate, and more efficient. High-tech manufacturing. The world's leading smart factory owns smart manufacturing, rigorous quality control, and excellent output. The high-precision welding processes, reliable assembly processes, and car-level coating processes achieve full-process smart manufacturing of excavators. High ROI. The strategy of hydraulic system fuel saving and idle system fuel saving is adopted to achieve the reduction of fuel consumption. The longer maintenance interval and lower maintenance frequency are conducive to reducing service expenses. High production, low fuel consumption, easy maintenance and management will bring you a higher return on your investment. Stronger carrying capacity and higher work efficiency. Less fuel consumption and lower operating cost. Better sealed operating space and more enjoyable driving experience. Zoomlion G-Series excavators generate a better future.